you doing?
Nice to meet you.
You okay?
Yeah, it's good. Nowadays, the football club need to come up with a new shirt every
year, every 6 months. Yeah.
And then the most tricky thing is with this kind of like things, every year you're doing the surprise thing to the same group of people. So you always need to come up with some new idea, innovation, and then to something that keeps them excited.
So at the moment, if you don't mind me asking, like what is your turnover per year now?
Nowadays, the turnaround I think is about like $30 million.
$30 million.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, and it's keep growing. So I think we're in the very like.
And margins is like what?
For us, it's not very big, but I think it's around like a 10%.
Oh, lovely.
It's good enough. Every year, the football team need a new shirt.
Yeah.
So for us,
it's not going nowhere. They're gonna want more, not less.
Yeah. So you can, as long as you keep doing the good things, you can have a very like a sustainable business.
Yeah, no, good.
Yeah, going forward.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
What a great brand.
Yeah, it's an Italian brand, manufactured in Italy and designed in Italy. We are near Venice. It's polypropylene.
Yep.
That means it's a virgin material and then used for good health.
Yeah.
And it's something not in the trendy philosophy, because normally it's people using manufacturing mixed materials, maybe already recycled. We use the other way around. We prefer to use polypropylene and then virgin, and then to be sure to be in the dustbin for plastic, so 100% recyclable.
Wow.
This is the way we are want to understand this.
Yes.
And this is the way we want to be known, in the sense that it's something, it's BPA free and everything.
Very beautiful product.
Here is Accio, our AI sourcing agent. So at Accio, we aim to automate the complex sourcing jobs, because in the sourcing world, there's a lot of repetitive work. You have to consult maybe 10 or 12 suppliers all at once, the same question. I think the AI things is great because he can save us a lot of time for those actually you don't need to do, right?
It's quite impressive for anyone who wants to build a business, have an idea. With Accio, they can get all the information, also regulation, finding everything. And
yes. I think there's a unique point between us with other AI tool, because we do connect it to the real world. You know, the manufacturer who can realize it from idea to products.